so good. Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to another quick episode of At Home with me, Mama Mila. Today, we are going to get you through the mocktail that has taken me through this pregnancy, the Gatorade that is, well, my healthy version of Gatorade that I have given to my family every time they're sick. This got me through the freaking devil flu that I just went through. And also it's something really delicious. And a lot of people, I think they drink them for like adrenal cocktails. I think that's like the cool thing now. But you guys, it's just good for you Gatorade. So I'm gonna walk you through this and you won't believe how easy it is. And there's no food dyes, there's no chemicals, it's organic, it's beautiful, it's delicious, okay? So our ingredients are going to be pineapple juice, then we've got organic coconut water. Coconut water is disgusting. Like people who just raw dog this, God bless you, because I don't know who you are and where you came from, but I feel like you lived a life. Anyways, that's so mean. It's so gross. You might have to edit that part out. And then we've got cranberry juice. We have Celtic salt. You can use any other good salt, but Celtic salt is the salt of the prophet Barbara O'Neill, who has turned us all onto it, and it basically opens up your cells to absorb more water. And then we have lemon and an orange. All right, let's get started making our delicious mocktail. We're gonna start with a pinch of Celtic salt, just a pinch, like that. Then we're going to take a half a lemon. We're just gonna squeeze that on in there. Then we're gonna do a whole orange. If you're wondering why this orange looks weird, it's a Cara orange, which is one of my favorites growing up in Southern California. I'm gonna be pretty, and I'm gonna drop orange slices in. We're going to add in 4 ounces pineapple juice, splash cranberry juice, with ice, and here we go. Here's our coconut water. The only way I can drink this stuff. Coconut water is clinically proven to be like 4 times as hydrating as water. Stir this sucker up. So good. You guys have no idea how sick I was and how much this saved me. Like I lived on this in bone broth. Yeah, it's so good. So good. And you can't even taste the salt at all. Thank you so much for coming with me and being in my kitchen with me. Don't forget that I love you. I love to feed you. I love having you here with me in my kitchen. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on all the platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I almost said Mama Mila's. And what did I miss? TikTok. Haha. Anyways, I love you. See you next time at Home with Mama Mila. Tanti Bachi.